nothing you say. I'm around, see what you do. You know you speed is streeter. You got a mouth like a herd of bull beavers. Same old game, same old thing.
So Azamad, could you tell us what is this machine?
So it's electric unicycle. It is self-balancing backwards and forward. So you need to learn how to balance on sides. You see a lot of guys are trying to learn. We believe that it's the future of transportation, that it will change the way we commute. It will replace cars.
What are the advantages of that wheel if compared to Segway, for example?
It's the excitement when you ride it, the mobility, because you can easily switch it off and go up the stairs all the time, and much quicker to start it, to set it up.
What's the maximum speed of?
But in our safety tips we say that it shouldn't be more than 10.
How long it usually takes to learn how to ride this kind of thing?
For those who have sporting experience, it takes 10-15 minutes. For those who don't, it may take 2 hours. As of now, we charge on.
I want to buy it.
If you want to buy it, to take it in 6 installments, 88 euros per month. For 500 euros.
How heavy it is?
As of now, it's 12 kilos maximum. The smaller version is 9.5. The new version will be around 7.
Ja aga mis kõige keerulisem on, kas seda tasakaalu on raske hoida või?
Alguses see tunnetus võib-olla kätte saada, et ta on nii teistsugune. Et ma olen küll rulaga sõitnud ja seda tunnetust on olemas, aga just
Vahetaksite selle üherattalise oma jalgratta vastu näiteks välja?
Selle pealt on natuke võib-olla raske nüüd kohe ära tõmmata, aga kindlasti ma plaanin seda võtta ja proovida.
Better to do it without your hand, just try to control it.
That's awesome.
You see? It's not that difficult as it seems.
Yeah, you really have to relax.